Well, guys, got stuck. Lawnmower's buried. Gonna go see what to do about it. Oh, guys, I'm gonna go to a car show today. We're about to take stuff back. We're going to go to stores, go pick up my two nephews, go to a car show, then Brockville Speedway, as you saw in a couple vlogs ago. So yeah, it's gonna be another racing vlog, pretty much. May separate from this one, maybe put some in, make another vlog. I don't know. Rockin' to do here, so I'll do. So me and my sister are walking right now to the car show. There she is. Yeah. This is the car I want to buy to drift. Yeah, do you know that? Look how, I think this guy's still building it. He still has to paint it, looks like. We might keep it like that. Yeah, I think it's this one.
If you're a Mariner type,
Oh well, but
936233 for waterproof, compliant with the regulations on the water today. 936233 LED flashlight.
oh well, there's way over there.
For you. Okay. 50/50 shuts off at 2 on the dot. I just talked to R&R,
The engine's in the back.
and they're going to close it at 2.
The engine's in the back of this thing. Look at this thing. Please
We
look,
have
but
an
don't
insulated
touch.
mug. There, 21. An insulated mug.
Small engine. I'm expecting it to be a little bigger.
She wished I had a ton.
Mustangs and over
936.
Gotta go look at the Mustangs.
310.
Look at. Oh, they're both the exact same cars. These two. I just noticed that. So somewhat of an engine up here. I call it fluids. This one has trophies in it. So is this one. Engine. Pretty cool. This is one of my favorite cars, a Charger RT. Those are what cars used to sell as, really. A little Volkswagen Beetle. Which I think it is. I think it's for sale.
They have a Tesla.
This is something I would like. And the Subaru for you, Andrew. Got sort of racing seats, standard. I like this thing. Mustangs all along here.
Anyway, yeah, it's got a 4-barrel Holly carburetor on it. It's just stick shift 4-speed.
This would be a fun car to drift. Now we're heading over to the trucks. Oh my god, I see a cool Ford F-150. Look at this thing I just saw. It's for sale. Standard. Crossing from Toyota. This truck's for sale.
Just great trucks.
Oh, yeah?
But he has suspensions that
Well, we've never seen surplus. So anyways, our league called up and the only thing about this is boring is
there's a little truck.
That's just the right size for you.
Yep.
Your shirt is the right.
That's Escamino GMC, I'm pretty sure. Another one. This one's nicer. This one's for sale. This one. Chevrolet. This one's a Dodge truck convertible. GMC. Got some Chevys, I think. GMCs. This one.
Yeah, that one's got chrome rims on it, and even with the power shocks, I don't have issues with it. Brake dusting on that one at all. I have more of just regular dust.
So guys, we got back from the car show. It's time to... That's slid backwards. Have to fix that. But the barbecue, some hot dealy dogs. Hot dogs. And I gotta turn the propane. Got those hot dogs on, letting them cook. And we're going to the Speedway sometime tonight. Hot dog dealers. Those are my mom's. They're vegetarian since my mom's a vegetarian. We just run out of propane. Don't know how much propane is left in this tank, so it's kind of a guessing game. Well, guys, I'm walking to our local Canadian Tire, aka Crappy Tire. Might buy a longboard. No, we're gonna go check them out. I forgot to check what time they closed when I left, so I may just be walking for no apparent reason. Well, at least I get my exercise, right? Note to self, don't play firecrackers. I just let off one. It went off my hand. It freaking hurt. Didn't hurt enough so I didn't cry, but it hurt pretty bad. I don't know if you guys can see my thumb. Right there. My index finger hurts the most. Yeah, it hurts. Won't kill you. So I'm still alive. Doesn't make you bleed. I swear if you had a bigger, powerful one, it would make you bleed or tear your skin, but I was holding it like this and I swung back to throw it, and when I got here it exploded in my hand, so it kind of hurt. Yeah, don't play firecrackers. me, the idiot, show you how to play firecrackers. Oh, it hurts still. Ow. It feels like getting your finger got blown off. That's what it feels like. I have a very high pain tolerance. If you guys wanted to know, I actually have a very high pain tolerance, so to me, this is kind of nothing. I've actually hit my finger with a sledgehammer. My hand slipped one day. I was using a sledgehammer and Billy annihilated the thumb. Wait, what's this thumb? Yeah, this one. And like, there's nothing left. Like, the bone was fucked and everything. Surprised it came back as good as it did. It hurt. Like, one of the most hurting pain I've ever felt. Yeah, we're going to breakfast. We were just waiting for the fam jam. My 2 nephews. Yeah, my hands hurt. Ow. I was holding it with my middle finger too, but my index hurts the most and my thumb, and it's getting over it. But my index finger definitely took the big boom of it. Yeah, it hurts. Don't play firecrackers. I don't want to see you guys hurt. Let me do the dumb stuff. Yeah. Just got back from the store. Brought my dogs a little treat. Of course, they're going crazy for it. Well, that one's not, but this one goes crazy. And I'm going to show you guys how fast they bitch. That's disgusting. That is actually gross. Okay, we're going to have rice. I had to crush up my little chihuahuas. She's eating. The other one's eating. See which one wins. I'll help you there, Rose. She's almost done. So is Rosie. Working hard at an eating competition. Hey guys, I'm walking school at AK skateboarding. This new skateboard I bought. God, this new haircut looks stupid on me. Fuck, why did I get it? Should've kept my long shaky hair. I don't know, do you guys like my haircut? Comment down below. So yeah, going to school. Let's go. Please hit that like button. Please hit the subscribe and tell your friends, tell your family about me. And we'll see you in a new vlog. Bye. Stay feisty.